haute couture is one of the only domains where accepting to let the time fly by is the condition of getting to an exceptional place. My name is Janine. I'm a haute couture creator.
I didn't even know that one could be an artist. But as long as you're sure of what you want to do, you can do it pretty much. My name is Benjamin Clementine. I'm an artist.
Good design has to be centered around the essentials. The quest of functional simplicity that can only be achieved through research and reflection. My name is Oraito. I'm a designer.
Keep chasing, because that's kind of the point of all of this, is that you continually chase some kind of greatness. My name is James Bay. I'm a musician and a songwriter.
I feel like it's a constant reinvention and self-exploration. My name is Corey Richards, and I'm a photographer and an explorer.